Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Margaret and I'm gonna be sharing today my secret about having smooth skin. So I have been asked many times why do I have clear smooth skin, but when I was in college I had a lot of marks here in my forehead, but thank God they were gone. So what I maintained recently was aloe vera. I just use this, especially before bedtime, in order to maintain my smooth skin. So here's what I do. You can cut this. You look for the flat part because this bottom part is flat, top is curved. So you go to the bottom part and then cut it there using your nails if you have long nails, and then using the flat portion again, cut it into half, okay, and then flatten the aloe vera and place it directly to your face. Okay, the reason why I use aloe vera is because it heals my skin, especially if I have scars, or even if you have pimples, it will dry up the pimple and it will heal up easily, leaving you clear, smooth skin. Okay. So in case it dries up like this, you just need to cut the inner part of the aloe vera, the flesh of the aloe vera, and then so that the juice would come out from the meat or the inner part of the aloe vera, and then once the juice is out, put it back to your face. Make sure everything or the whole face is covered with the aloe vera juice. Okay, so make sure everything has aloe vera juice, and then you leave this overnight. You will see results within 3 days the least. So just maintain. You don't have to cut the whole plant. You can actually just cut the short pieces every time you use it. So what I do is I just estimate how much I could use in one day or one use. So I just cut portions by portions and apply it on my face. So there you go. I hope I was able to help you. In case you would like to know more about tips or any hacks I could share, please feel free to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, like my video, and also leave comments in order for me to improve on my vlogging. Thank you so much. Have a great day.